In relation and function chapter, binary operation, all axiom and function are not involved in our next coming examination. So cut it with red pen. Okay. And in function, this will be not function as a special relation concept of writing y is a function of x and y not involved, and type 1 to 1 to not real value function will be not, and the domain and range will be not. Okay. And going to the inverse trigonometry function, sine cosec inverse will be not in our upcoming examination this, so cut it also with red pen. And all about in this inverse trigonometry function. Now going to algebra. All matrix coming. Okay. Determinant all coming. But डिटर्मिनेंट में सारा आएगा, मैट्रिक्स में भी सारा आएगा, इसमें कोई कटपिट नहीं है. ओके. गोइंग टू द कैलकुलस, कंटिन्यूटी पूरा का पूरा नहीं आएगा. ओके. एंड इन डिफरेंशिएशन, फर्स्ट concept of continuity will not come. Okay. And whole syllabus coming, and an L'Hospital theorem, Rolle's mean value theorem not involved, this is also not involved, and this 0 power 0 form and 0 power infinity forms will not be introduced. In the chapter application and derivatives, approximation will be not involved in our examination, and rate method also not included in the new syllabus. And in same chapter, point of interfraction also not in our new reduced syllabus. And now going to the integral, indefinite integral, all type all coming. Okay. And integral of types totally not coming in our examination. Okay. Integral of type not coming in our examination, and definite integrals only a single point. Definite integral of the limit sum will not involve in our examination, in our syllabus for 2021 examination. Now going to the differential equation. In this, solve problem of application on growth decay not involved, solve problem on velocity acceleration not involved, and solve population based problem and solve problem of application on coordinate geometry also not. Okay. In probability, the last topic, theoretical probability distribution, are not come in our examination. Okay. Section B, vector. In the vector, there is a section formula that is not involved in our syllabus. and triangle inequality is also not. And going to the three-dimensional geometry, the last topic, shortest distance in line segment, shortest distance between two lines also not. Okay, now going to the section C, application of calculus. In application of calculus in same three-dimensional geometry, for lines shortest distance between two lines not coming, and in a plane there is a equation of a plane through the intersection are not involved in our syllabus, new reduced syllabus. And application of integral, both points are coming. And going to the section C, application of calculus, there is average cost is not in our reduced syllabus 2021, and rough sketching of AR, MR, these are not coming. Okay, now on linear regression, there is a scatter diagram is not involved. The method of least square below topic. Okay, angle between regression line is also not, but just below topic, estimation of the value are included. Linear programming, almost all are coming from the linear programming. So this is all about your math syllabus, so tick it or mark it on your book of the previous syllabus. So take care.